I look so pretty, oh my god. I am so pretty. So I'm almost done with the ponytail, and I still have extra bundles, and I still have one that I'm not done sewing here. The hair is really too full. I think I'm going to I'm going to be giving the customer these 2 bundles back because it is so full. I would have even used 3 bundles, but I used 3.5. This is the ponytail. It has 1, 2 clips, and this is the drawstring. If I wasn't on this hair, I would have showed you. So basically the customer is just going to like clip this to her little bun, then draw the drawstring this way, and then this is how it's going to look on the bun.
It's on my bag.
Yeah. 2:28 a.m. Look at me. I just finished my makeup and then I'm doing my hair. I'm making a video. I said I wasn't going to sleep this night, that I was just going to create content all through the night, but like I'm already feeling sleepy. I can't wait to finish this hair. I'm not even doing it well. Can't wait to finish this hair and go to bed. Finish this video and go to bed. So you guys, I'm done filming for tonight and I'm so sleepy. Yeah, I couldn't even coil my hair really well, and this coil is already dropping, so I'm just gonna, ow. The way my hair is going to pull, the glue doesn't grip that well. Yeah, so this is my outfit with this claw clip that I sell, and it goes so well in this dress. This is like, it's giving picnic vibe. Yeah, so what is wrong with me? I removed 1 earring, gold lashes, 1 earring, another lash here. Why can't I just remove one and know that I'm done with that one? I look so pretty, oh my god. I am so pretty. I am so pretty. I am so pretty. I am so pretty. You guys, what's the time? And so this is the time. I was able to film just 2 content, but I'm happy. It's always so hard to get this makeup out of your face. My face is burning because I washed it there. Hey guys, it's 3:40 and I'm so tired. I'm sleepy. I'm just going to go to bed with this outfit because I can't even go to my wardrobe right now to go and find something to wear. Now I have to cook for the whole house. We are 6 in this house and I have to cook for 6 people, so it's big cooking. The first thing I'm doing now is cooking, obviously, because I'm in the kitchen, and let me show you. I'm going to be making my hair. You know, I told you I want to be serious with keeping my natural hair. And look at me, I'm already leaving my hair like all those natural hair girls. Should I say I'm excited? I don't know. So a customer got this wig from me a few weeks ago, and the coil got scattered, and then she told me to like roll it again. The coil got scattered due to bad packaging, so I had to like roll it again. This thing took me 2 hours 30 minutes to roll. So I'm going to deliver this, and I just said to myself, since I'm going to deliver this, let me just make my hair from there. So I'm gonna quickly pack it up. This is the price. She got it for 90k. So I'm ready now. This is my hair, well packed. And this is my outfit. Not something serious, it's just a bodysuit and a pants trouser, and that's all. I forgot to use my serum. This is my skincare for today. How would I forget? And when you're using retinol, you have to always use the sunscreen. Oops. This is almost finished. It's always too bulky. Yes. It's the one I'm doing. That's it. You are doing it straight now. The all back. Like, yes, all back. I'm doing it straight, Abby. No, it's not straight though. Ah. You are not calling the mouth now. It's straight. Hey, I wanted to ask my sister if I should use Bido. No, I cannot even use it here, sir. I would prefer to put it back on because the wig is not here.